Factorization. Factorization. We are going to start the chapter Factorization. Before starting the factorization of algebraic expression, let us recall how we factorize a natural number. Let us take an example. For example, if I have to factorize 30, then I can write 30 as 30 into 1. I can write 30 as 15 into 2. Also I can write it as 3 into 10. Also 5 into 6. And if I further factorize, it will be written as 6 into 5, 10 into 3, 15 into 2 and 30 into 1. Thus we can say the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Out of which 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 30. If I have to write the prime factorization of 30, then I will write 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. This is known as the prime factor form of 30, prime factorization of 30. Again, if I have to factorize 75, I can write 75 as 5 into 5 into 3. This is the prime factor form of 75. Again, if I have to write the prime factor form of 90, I can write it as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization of natural number. In the same way, we can factorize the algebraic expressions also. Thus, algebraic expression can also be written as the product of their factors. Let us start with a simple example. For example, if I have to factorize 5xy plus 3x, then this expression consists of two terms. The first term is 5xy and the second term is 3x. To find the factors of 5xy, we can write it as 5xy is equals to 5 into x into y. This is the irreducible form of 5xy, since 5x and y cannot be further reduced into its factors. Then we can say that the factors of 5xy are 5x and y. But if I would written 5xy as 5 into xy, this is not the irreducible form of 5xy, since xy can further be reduced into form x into y. Thus, if we find the factors of algebraic expression, we find the irreducible factors of that expression. Let us take another example. 7xy into x plus 2. To find the factors of 7xy and x plus 2, I can write 7xy x plus 2 as 7 into x into y into x plus 2. Thus the factors of 7xy x plus 2 are 7, x, y and x plus 2. These are the irreducible factors of 7xy x plus 2, since they cannot be further factorized. Another example, 10x x plus 2 and x plus 3. Factors of 10x x plus 2 and x plus 3 are 2 to 5 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Thus its factors are 2, 5, x, x plus 2 and x plus 3. So we can say when we factorize a algebraic expression, we can write it as the product of numbers, algebraic variables or algebraic expressions. Here we can see that 10x, x plus 2, x plus 3 is written as the product of numbers, that is 2, 5 and algebraic variable, that is x, and an algebraic expression x plus 2 and x plus 3. The first method of factorization which we are going to study is the method of common factor. First example, to factorize 2x plus 4. This expression consists of two terms. First term is 2x and second term is 4. So first we will find the irreducible factors of 2x. 2x can be written as 2 into x and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Thus we can write 2x plus 4 as 2 into x plus 2 into 2. Here we can see that 2 is the factor of both 2x and 4. So we can take it as common. If I take 2 common from 2x, the remaining term is x, and in this expression the remaining term is 2, and the sign between the two terms is plus. Thus we can write here plus. This is the factor of 2x plus 4, that is 2 into x plus 2. Thus the factors of 2x plus 4 are 2 and x plus 2. Next example, 5xy plus 10x. So we will first find the factor of 5xy. 5xy can be written as 5 into x into y, and 10x can be written as 2 into 5 into x. Now what are the common terms? Here 5 is common in both and also x. So we can take both this term common. So 5xy plus 10x can be written as 5 into x into y and plus 2 into 5 into x. Now we can take out 5x common. The remaining term here is y, and in this expression it is 2. Next example, to find the factors of 12a square b plus 15a b square. Factors of 12a square b are 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b, and factors of 5 and factors of 15a b square are 3 into 5 into a into b into b. अब इसमें कौन कौन सी टर्म कॉमन है वो हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर 3 कॉमन दोनों टर्म्स में, a कॉमन है दोनों में और b भी कॉमन है दोनों में. तो इन टर्म्स को हम कॉमन ले सकते हैं. 12a square b plus 15a b square can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b plus 3 into 5 into a into b into b. फर्स्ट टर्म में जो टर्म्स कॉमन है वो है 3, सेकेंड a एंड थर्ड इज b। फर्स्ट टर्म में से 3ab कॉमन लेने पर जो रिमेनिंग टर्म्स हैं वो है 2 into 2 दैट इज 4 and a। सेकेंड टर्म में 3ab कॉमन लेने पे जो रिमेनिंग टर्म है वो है 5b। Thus, the factors of 12a square b plus 15ab square are 3ab, 4a plus 5b. Next, to factorize 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x की power 4. 10x square can be written as 2 into 5 into x into x. 18x cube can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. 14x की power 4 can be written as 2 into 7 into x into x into x into. Now what are the terms which are common? In this we can see that 2 is common in all the three terms. Then 5 is not common in any of the term. Then 7 is not common. 3 is also not common. But x into x is common. That is also 2 times. So we can take out 2x square as common from all the three terms, and we can write 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x की power 4 as 2x square, that is the common term. Then if we take 2x square common from the first term, the remaining terms are 5. The sign between the next term, so we will put minus. Then when we take out 2x square common from 18x cube, the remaining term will be 9x, and in the last term it will be 7x square. Thus the factors of 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x की power 4 are 2x square, 5 minus 9x plus 7x square. The last example is to factorize. 8 3a minus 2b का whole square minus 10 3a minus 2b. Now the first term, that is 8 3a minus 2b whole square, can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3a minus 2b into 3a minus 2b, and 10 3a minus 2b can be written as 2 into 5 into 3a minus 2b. Now we can see that 2 is common in both the terms, and one of the 3a minus 2b is also common. So if we take out both these terms common out of this expression, we can write 8 3a minus 2b का whole square minus 10 into 3a minus 2b as 2, which is common, 3a minus 2b, which is also common, and the remaining term will be 12a minus 8b minus 5. Thus the factors of 8 3a minus 2b whole square minus 10 3a minus 2b are 2 3a minus 2b and 12a minus 8b minus 5. Thus, the factorization is the process of writing the algebraic expression as the product of numbers, algebraic variable, or the algebraic expressions.